Hello, dear friend. A very warm welcome back to Maria Slow English Listening. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's make learning English a beautiful, gentle journey together. Now, let me tell you what we have for you today. We've prepared something very special, a fun, natural dialogue between two friends, Jack and Anna. They go shopping together at a supermarket, and we follow them through 15 different sections, from fresh fruits and vegetables to frozen foods, from the bakery to the checkout line. Why is this story so useful for you? Because it uses everyday English, real conversations about real life. You'll hear how two people talk, joke, and make decisions together. You'll learn vocabulary for food, clothes, emotions, and even modern fashion brands, all in a slow, clear, and easy to understand way. And here's the best part. This dialogue is designed to help you listen, repeat, and improve your speaking without feeling overwhelmed. Every sentence is natural. Every line is useful. So, my friend, are you ready? Then come with me. Let's step into the supermarket with Jack and Anna, and let's enjoy every single moment of learning English together. You are warmly invited to listen to the full story on my channel, Maria Slow English Listening. Don't forget to listen slowly, repeat out loud, and let the English flow into your heart. I'll see you inside the story.
Anna, look at these mangoes. They smell incredible.
You're right, Jack, but I'm looking for green apples. Where are they?
Green apples? Right next to the oranges. See how shiny they are?
Definitely. I'll take 2 kilos. Do you need anything?
Yes, please. Grab a few bananas. Perfect for morning smoothies.
These bananas look a bit unripe. This one has a brown spot.
You're right. Let's take that yellower bunch instead.
Okay, 3 bananas and 2 kilos of apples. Now let's move to vegetables.
What fresh broccoli. My mom told me to buy some.
I need spinach too. Wow, tomatoes have gotten so expensive.
Maybe it's out of season. Why not grab cherry tomatoes? They're tastier.
Good idea. I'll take 1 pack. Don't forget carrots.
I saw carrots near the lettuce. Should I take 1 or 2?
No, take 4. We need them for soup.
Anna, look at these colorful bell peppers. Perfect for pizza.
Oh yes, 1 red and 1 yellow. Thanks for reminding me.
Our basket is almost full now. Shall we go to the dairy section?
Wait, let me grab a bunch of parsley. Done. Now let's go.
Don't forget the plastic bags. Actually, do we have our cloth bag?
Yeah, it's in my backpack. Let's head to dairy.
It smells like fresh cheese in here. Look at all these cheeses.
Anna, I want Parmesan for the pasta. What do you like?
I prefer cheddar. See, this 200-gram pack looks good.
Okay, we'll get both. Then let's buy some Greek yogurt.
Which brand? This one is on sale. Buy one, get one free.
Perfect. And we need a carton of oat milk for you, right?
Yes, my lactose intolerance still act up. Also regular milk for you.
Got it. Oh, look at the butter. Salted or unsalted?
Unsalted for baking. I want to make cookies tonight.
You bake? I didn't know that. Okay, unsalted it is.
Let's move to the meat counter. I need ground beef for burgers.
I'd like chicken breast, the boneless, skinless kind.
This package looks fresh. 500 grams enough for you?
Yes, and 300 grams of ground beef for you.
Anna, check out these pre-marinated chicken thighs. Spicy.
Tempting, but I'll stick with plain. I have my own marinade.
Suit yourself. Should we get some eggs too?
Yes, I almost forgot. 1 small tub. Now we're done here.
It's freezing here. Let's grab frozen veggies quickly.
It's freezing here. Let's grab frozen veggies quickly.
Found them. Mixed vegetables or separate bags?
Separate, please. Peas first. This 500-gram bag is fine.
Here's the corn. Also, do we want frozen berries for smoothies?
Great idea. A mixed berry bag. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Look, they have frozen pizza. Pepperoni or margarita?
Neither. We have fresh ingredients at home. No frozen pizza.
You're no fun. Okay, how about ice cream for dessert?
Now you're talking. Chocolate or vanilla?
Both. They have a double pack and cookie dough flavor.
Slow down, Jack. 1 tub is enough. Pick your favorite.
Fine. Chocolate fudge brownie. This one.
Good. Also, frozen spinach for my morning omelets.
Over there, next to the frozen broccoli. Get 2 boxes.
Done. Anything else frozen? Fish fingers?
Nah, we have fresh chicken already. Let's move.
Wait, frozen hash browns for breakfast?
Yes, you read my mind. 1 bag.
Got it. My fingers are turning blue. Let's go to the bakery.
Ah, the smell of fresh bread. I love this section.
Me too. Let's get a sourdough loaf. That one looks crispy.
Perfect for sandwiches. Also, grab some whole wheat rolls.
How many? 4 or 6?
6. We can freeze the extras.
True. Oh, they have fresh croissants. Butter or chocolate?
Both? No, just butter for me. 2, please.
I'll take a chocolate one. And a bag of cinnamon raisin bagels.
Don't forget the cream cheese we got earlier.
Right. That'll be great for Sunday brunch.
Look at those apple turnovers. They look homemade.
Tempting, but we have ice cream already. Too much sugar.
You're always the responsible one. Fine. What about a rye loaf?
My dad loves rye. Let's get 1 small loaf for him.
Okay. Also, do you see any gluten-free bread for your aunt?
Yes, on the bottom shelf. That brand is good. 1 pack.
Anything else? Muffins?
Blueberry muffins. Just 2, not a whole pack.
They only sell in 4s. Let's split them at home.
Deal. Now let's go to canned goods before the cart overflows.
Canned tomatoes. We always need those for pasta sauce.
Grab 2 cans of crushed tomatoes and 1 of diced.
Got it. Also canned beans, black beans, or kidney.
Both. 2 cans each. They're on sale.
Look, canned tuna in water for quick salads.
Yes, 3 cans. And canned corn for my salsa.
Do we need canned soup, chicken noodle?
No, I make soup from scratch, but get tomato soup for emergencies.
1 can. Also canned pineapple for dessert pizza?
You're weird, but okay, 1 small can.
What about canned coconut milk for curry?
Yes, I almost forgot. 2 cans, full fat.
These olives, green or black?
Both. A small jar of each for pasta salads.
Canned artichoke hearts? They're expensive but tasty.
Splurge. 1 jar. You only live once.
That's the spirit. Also canned peaches for breakfast.
In juice, not syrup. The light one.
Found it. Anything else canned?
No, that's plenty. Let's hit the snack aisle.
Finally, my favorite aisle. Don't judge me.
I'm judging you already. What do you want?
Potato chips, salt and vinegar, the big bag.
Fine, but we're also getting pretzels for me.
Deal. Look, they have spicy nacho cheese Doritos.
No, those are too artificial. Get the organic tortilla chips.
Boring, but okay. And some salsa?
We have fresh tomatoes. I'll make salsa at home.
What about popcorn? Microwave bags.
Yes, but the light butter kind. 3 bags.
And trail mix with chocolate and nuts?
Good for hiking. 1 big bag.
These rice cakes are healthy. Plain or caramel?
Both? No, plain. We have peanut butter at home.
Beef jerky? It's protein.
Expensive protein, but okay. 1 small pack for you.
You're generous. Also pita chips for hummus.
We have hummus on the list? No, but we can get it later.
Let's skip pita chips then. What about cookies?
Oreos, but only the small pack. You'll thank me later.
I'm getting thirsty. Let's grab drinks.
We need orange juice. No pulp, please.
Here's a carton. Also, apple juice for my lunches.
Get the one with no added sugar.
Sparkling water? Lime or plain?
Lime, 2 6-packs. And still water, a big bottle.
What about soda? Coke or Pepsi?
Neither. We're being healthy today. Mostly.
1 root beer for me, please.
Fine. 1 bottle, but you share.
Deal. Also, iced tea? Lemon flavor.
Yes, a big bottle for the fridge.
Energy drinks? No, you'll kill me.
Exactly. No energy drinks. Coffee?
We have coffee at home, but cold brew?
Treat yourself. 1 bottle of cold brew.
You're the best. Also, coconut water for after gym.
Get the one without pulp. Small carton.
And chocolate milk for old time's sake.
Okay, 1 small carton. Now let's move to cleaning supplies before I change my mind.
This aisle's boring. Let's make it quick.
We need dish soap, the lemon-scented one.
Here it is. Also, dishwasher tablets.
Finish brand, the 40-count pack.
Got it. Laundry detergent, liquid or pods.
Pods. They're easier. 1 big tub.
Fabric softener, the blue bottle.
Yes, and stain remover spray.
Do we need paper towels? The select-a-size kind.
2 rolls. And toilet paper, the soft one, 12 rolls.
That's heavy. We'll get it at the end.
Good idea.
Also glass cleaner.
And all-purpose spray? Lemon again?
Sure. And sponges, the ones with scrubby side.
A pack of 4. Also trash bags?
Yes, the drawstring kind, small and large.
What about bleach for white laundry?
A small bottle. Don't spill it.
I'm careful. Air freshener? Lavender.
1 spray. Okay, let's escape this aisle.
Anna, do you need shampoo? We're almost out.
Yes, the purple bottle for colored hair.
Here. Also conditioner, same brand.
Good. And body wash, shea butter scent.
Deodorant for me, the Sport Stick.
Don't forget toothpaste, the one with whitening.
And a new toothbrush for each of us.
Soft bristles, the colorful ones.
Sunscreen? It's summer, SPF 50.
Yes, a big tube. And lip balm with SPF.
Do we need pain relievers? I have a headache sometimes.
Ibuprofen, a small bottle.
Vitamins? Multivitamins for both.
And vitamin D, the gummy kind.
You're such a kid. Okay, gummies.
Shaving cream for you? And razors?
Yes, sensitive skin gel and a pack of disposables.
Tissues for allergies?
2 small packs and hand sanitizer.
The travel size. Okay, we're done here.
Wait, we don't have a pet. Why are we here?
For fun! Look at the tiny dog sweaters. Adorable.
Don't even think about it. No dog today.
What about cat food for the stray near my apartment?
Okay, that's kind. 1 small bag of dry cat food.
And a few cans of wet food as a treat.
Fine. Also, a collar? No, too much.
Just the food. And maybe a squeaky toy?
You're impossible. 1 cheap toy.
Thank you. The mouse-shaped one.
Do we need kitty litter? The stray doesn't live inside.
No, skip it. But what about dog treats?
For what dog? We have no dog, Anna.
For my neighbor's dog. He's cute.
Fine. 1 bag of liver-flavored treats.
You're sweet. Also, a small bag of birdseed?
Now birds? Are we opening a zoo?
For the balcony feeder. Come on.
Okay, but that's it. No hamster bedding.
Deal. Let's go to the checkout before I see the fish.
Jack, we need a new spatula. The old one melted.
Silicone one, heat resistant, over there.
Got it. Also, measuring cups? We lost the 1 cup.
This set has 4 sizes, perfect.
Do we need new dish towels? These are stained.
Yes, the striped ones, 2 of them.
And pot holders? The gray ones.
1 pair. Also, a vegetable peeler.
The Y-shaped one is easier.
Exactly. And a can opener? Ours is rusty.
This magnetic one is good.
What about food storage containers?
We have too many, but we need lids.
They don't sell lids separately. Get a small set.
Fine. Glass ones with snap lids.
And a water bottle for you. Yours is gross.
Stainless steel, vacuum insulated.
Pick the blue one. Also, lunch bags?
We have reusable ones. No, let's move to checkout.
Wait, one more thing. A pizza cutter.
Jack gives a look but allows it.
Long line. Let's pick the shortest one.
Lane 3. Only 2 people ahead.
Look at all these impulse items. Candy bars.
No chocolate. We have ice cream.
But this is dark chocolate. Healthy.
Fine. 1 bar. Put it on the belt.
Also gum. Spearmint for after lunch.
Okay. And a pack of mints for my purse.
These mini flashlights? We might need one.
No, we have our phone lights.
What about a phone charger? Yours is broken.
Actually, yes. 1 short cable.
And a pack of batteries? AA for the remote.
Good call. The remote died yesterday.
Magazines? Look, celebrity gossip.
No, I'll check my phone. Save money.
These lip balms are 2 for 1.
We got lip balm earlier. No.
You're no fun in line. Can I get a lottery ticket?
1 ticket, for luck. Now start unloading the cart.
Heavy stuff first. The water bottles.
Put the eggs and bread on top so they don't crush.
Good thinking. Hand me the produce.
We need the cashier to weigh the apples.
She's doing it now. Total is adding up.
I hope we didn't forget anything.
We forgot... cheese? No, we got it.
Milk? We got oat and regular.
What about butter? Yes, unsalted.
Did we get garbage bags? In cleaning aisle.
Yes, drawstring. And sponges.
Phew. Oh, the frozen berries are thawing.
The cashier is fast. She's almost done.
Can you pack while I pay?
Sure. Bags here. Heavy stuff at the bottom.
Right. Here's my card. Tap to pay.
Receipt? Take it for returns.
Got it. Now let's load the cart and go.
Push the cart carefully. The eggs are fragile.
I'm going slow. Where did you park?
Row 4, near the cart return. The blue car.
I see it. Open the trunk.
Put the cold items together in 1 bag.
And bread on top so it doesn't squash.
The ice cream is melting. Let's hurry.
We live 5 minutes away. It'll be fine.
Load the heavy water bottles first.
Done. Now the chips, don't crush them.
I'm being careful. Anna, did you close the freezer bag?
Yes, it's zipped. Help with the toilet paper.
That goes in the back seat. It's bulky.
Okay, now the eggs on the floor so they don't roll.
Good idea. Return the cart?
I'll do it. You start the car and turn on the AC.
It's so hot. Keys are in.
Cart is returned. Let's buckle up.
Check if we left anything in the cart.
No, all good. Let's go home and put things away.
Finally home. Let's unpack quickly.
Fridge first. Dairy, produce, meat.
I'll handle the freezer. Ice cream goes in the back.
Put the frozen veggies next to it.
The chicken goes in the meat drawer.
Eggs in the door shelf. Milk and juice too.
Pantry items, cans and snacks on the middle shelf.
Bread on the counter. Don't close the bag yet.
Anna, we forgot to buy salt.
What? No, we have salt at home. Check the cabinet.
Oh, you're right. Phew.
But we forgot dish soap. No, we got it.
Yes, under the sink now. And sponges.
That was a successful trip. Tiring but good.
I'm hungry. Should we make sandwiches with the sourdough?
In a minute. First, put the ice cream in the freezer properly.
Done. Can I have a cookie from the Oreo pack?
After we finish unpacking, help me with the cans.
Okay. You know, shopping with you is fun.
Even when I say no to Doritos?
Especially then. You keep me healthy. Now let's eat.